What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the Grand Hyatt in Muscat, Oman. So I'm just going to show you, hi sir, show you the beautiful lobby area right here. This is where you check in, right here. It is my first time to Oman. They got a lot of luxury hotels right now in September. JW Marriott, you name it, Intercontinental. Very reasonable prices in August, September. They start to go up around October, but look at this place. I mean, this is like a palace in here. Look at that. Now, the only thing I will say that's going on right now, they're renovating the pool. So, very beautiful. Here they do have 3 restaurants. I'll show you my room a little later. They gave me a really nice room. I paid about, I want to say 150 US, something around there. That is just straight price. No points or anything. But they have a nice beach nearby. I think those are called oraks. Those are what they're popular in Qatar at the airport. Wow, look at this place. My goodness. Literally like a palace, huh? Oh. This area here where the pool is and the playground currently closed, but you can look online. I apologize that I'm not able to show that right now. But the beach is down here. So we got Club Olympus Fitness Center. Let's see what's going on over here. Hello, sir. How are you?
Sir, how are you?
Just looking for the first time, okay?
Please, go ahead.
Thank you. Oh, big gym. Nice gym. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. All sorts of stuff in here. Get a good pump on. Oh, they got the good weights. Free weights. All right. I'll keep cruising around the hotel and showing you what they got. Thank you. So now we'll go this way to the pool and the beach. I believe this is level 1. The pool's this way? Or the beach?
Right side.
Right side. Left side. Okay, thank you. Can go to the beach? So I'm walking out here towards the beach. It's going to be on the left side, right here. I'll pick up once I get there. Yeah, so here's the beach. It's like it's hot, but it's like a very humid hot. I can see how it could sneak up on you though. You know, you just be out here relaxing, thinking, oh, it's not too hot. Next thing you know, you're like, uh-oh, I'm feeling it. It's a bit breezy. I got a path right here. Wow, I could walk this at night. This is nice, real nice. I like this path. It's fantastic. There's the hotel getting the renovations at the pool and everything. I really apologize that they're closed right now, but hopefully when you come here, it will be open. Let me show you the room now. All right, here's a look at the room. Nice desk, good views. This is on the 3rd level. Just want to show you the view here. It's quite green here in Oman. More green than I expected, actually. The guy who dropped off my bags was showing me pictures of a place in Oman that's in the mountains. It's really green, called Salela or something like that. I couldn't quite remember. Salela or something like that. He says it rains quite a bit. Here we go. Oh wow. Tub, all that jazz. There you go. All right, now let's talk about the Grand Hyatt here in Muscat. That beach right there is a really nice location. Access to the other parts of the beach, even can walk into the town area. There's several different areas in Muscat that you can stay in hotels that are centrally located. This just so happens to be one of the areas along the beachfront. I would say if I was to come back and stay at the Grand Hyatt, I would want to make sure that the pool was done because that's going to add to the experience. But it's still a very nice hotel, and I think I got it for a discount, so that's a good thing. Staff was kind and friendly. The breakfast was also good. The room is a bit older. I could tell the hotel is getting a little bit older. That's something to take into consideration. So it's got nice location along the beach, but it is far away from the old town. That's something that I would like to say as well. Now, as far as my travel plans, I've now left Muscat. I was there touring around. I enjoyed my time in Oman, and it's a really nice place to go around the old town, see the forts right along the waterfront. It was a bit hot. I was there in early September. I think it was like 100 and something. The cool thing is Oman is not as hot as United Arab Emirates. So that's a benefit of visiting Muscat. I found the bed to be comfortable. Everything worked fine. They gave me a nice view right up against the waterfront, so that was nice of them. The staff, the front at the concierge, always very friendly. Now that I went to Abu Dhabi from Oman, brand new airport in Oman, and then I went to Dubai. So expect to see a review from Abu Dhabi hotel as well as a review here in Dubai. I'm trying to get to the stands. That's Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, all those. We'll see if I can actually get there. It's been a long trek. As you guys know, I've come all the way down from Scotland into the Middle East now, and I basically kind of country hopped, right? Like I went all the way through the Balkans, the Caucasus, Turkey before that. It's just been a wild ride. It's been fun. At some point in time, I may go back to a certain country and just stay for a while. Who knows? Maybe it'll be Dubai, but as I know, Dubai, as the weather gets better, the population rises and everything, prices go up, and it just becomes more overpopulated because the weather becomes all of a sudden very nice. Right now, it's very hot in Dubai. I mean, even in September, I think one day in Abu Dhabi, it was like 106 degrees. Now, it's not just 106 degrees, it's 106 degrees with humidity. So, I mean, I don't think there's too many places that are that hot in the world. The sun is very bright, but everything here is very luxurious, as it is in most of these countries developing along the Gulf. So we'll see you guys on the next one from Abu Dhabi. Click the link next.